Do you want to be able to use ChatGPT to create follow-up emails when you receive Jotform submissions? Let me show you how to do it automatically using Zapier. To do this task, I want to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. With Zapier's no-code app builder, I can create my Zap from scratch, or with Zapier's new AI Copilot, I can just describe what I want. I could say something like, when a new submission is received in Jotform, send the form responses to ChatGPT and generate a short, friendly follow-up email. Then send the email to the submitter using Gmail, and it'll build the workflow for me. My Zap will then be created. On the left-hand side, the Copilot will tell me the steps that I need to take to complete my Zap. And if I need to tweak my prompt or troubleshoot anything, I can just type right into the Copilot. It walks me through the process. To start, select your trigger. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. In this case, our trigger is Jotform. I'll need to log into my account before configuring my steps. To do this, click on the Account tab. The first time we set up Jotform, we'll need to connect it with Zapier. If it's your first time logging in, a link will pop up for you to log into your account. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. We'll then need to fill out our trigger app's data. Select the form you'd like to use for your Zap and then click Continue. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue with selected record and we can move on to our first action step. I'll need to connect my OpenAI account by logging in. If it's your first time logging in, you'll need to create an API token key. You can do this by selecting a new secret key on your API Keys Dashboard tab and giving it a name before copying and pasting it into the authorization screen. Great. Click Continue and we can move on to our next step. We'll next need to set up our ChatGPT prompt. Copilot will have pre-configured the step for you. However, if the data's not there, you could type in something like, write a professional but friendly email that thanks attendees for joining our Zoom meeting and summarizes the key points discussed. And then you can fill in the details from the drop-down menu. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Great, let's move on to our last step. Log into your Gmail account just like you did with your Jotform account. Next, it's time to assign our trigger apps data into the action apps fields. Copilot will automatically fill out our configuration steps with our prompt data. And if my data isn't there, I can select from the drop-down menu or add my own text to customize my Zap even further. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Let's check our Gmail account to make sure this worked. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever a new form is filled out in Jotform, ChatGPT will automatically create an email response that will be sent out via Gmail. So whether you're managing a sales pipeline, automating a marketing campaign, or building your own custom business app, Zapier makes it easy to build applications without coding. And if you like this workflow, click the link below and Copilot will help build this app for you automatically. You can sign up and start for free.